Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I had a bad day, man. And it's not because of the markets, trust me, it's not. It's because, I was talking to this girl, man. I thought, I just moved to New York, when I was saying I was feeling myself. And I'm gonna open up to y'all, we're like family, okay? I'm talking to this girl, and we're talking OD, right? Um, Turns out, she used to dye her hair purple and whatever the fucking other rainbow colors are. And now it's just done for, man. Like, it's just done for. Clearly she has a mental issues that she needs to work out. Um, so yeah, I'm kind of sad about that. I just ruined my whole day, man. But you gotta look at the red flags, and you can't go straight towards them. I've done that multiple times. It got me burned. Met a girl with fake cancer before. Never would think I would experience that, but I did. Okay. Um, Stay away from the long-nailed people and the people that have rainbow-colored hair. Okay, guys. I will save you infinite amount of stress. Yes, they're fun, but at the end of the day, it's just stress. Unless like you're like, oh, I don't like you're just gonna mess around and stuff. But if you have actually feelings, you need to stop. Control yourself. Back away, bro. Okay. Anyways, okay. I'm a trader, bro. Alright. Sorry, guys. I wanted to get deep with you guys, but yeah, that totally ruined my mood, man. Okay. So intraday. If you watched yesterday's video, I told you guys. If we opened below the 50-day moving average and forms up some type of inverse cup, right? And then the handle, we can't see that drop, and that is exactly what happened. Go back to my last video, I literally said that. So we were looking for that, and 1 minute, it's right here, right? So, right here, and then pretty good break right here. This was probably the trade of the day because it was just so clean, and like we knew what we were looking for. Also, there was a good trade at the end of the day, but I wasn't really trading that much because again, my day got ruined. And it's like I don't really like to trade the last 10 minutes. But yeah, okay. So then we're looking. You can see some type of tapering, of course, right? Um, the blue algo right here, right? So we had this really nice bounce right here, right? Um, and then complete this cup right here, right? Then this handle, right? And then perfect inverse head and shoulder all the way up, giving us our last trade right here, right? To all the way up here, right? So it was a pretty good entries on the way up, but again, you'd have to be like, I'd say you wanna, if you're taking trades like this, you need to wait to, if you're in profits, right? If you're in profits from here, right? Then you can enter this possible trade right here, right? Because again, you have to notice this yellow, right? So it is a pretty risky trade, and I'm gonna show you that intraday as well. So let's look at those two trades right there, right? So um, right here, right? So this, right? And you could have entered right here off of blue right here, right? Also, you could have entered, at this inverse. There's actually a pretty good inverse head and shoulder right here. Actually, let me show you that. So inverse head and shoulder right here, right shoulder right here, and then you have to manage these trades pretty good. By manage, I mean let the green algo guide you, right? Take partial profits, and even if you come down here back and you just hit your stop loss or whatever, you're still in profit, right? And you don't take any losses either. So take partial profits and just manage your trade. And yeah, so that's what we were looking for, right? Then we broke out of that yellow, right? Um, right here, right? And then we closed this cup at 11:20ish, right? So right here, did I switch to the screen? Yeah. So 11:20ish right here, right? And you knew that we were gonna close a cup here because of the yellow algo, right? We were in this yellow, right? We were in this yellow and orange as well, right? The orange tape and then the yellow right there, right? So those are the two algos that you need to see if we break above or reject, right? You can see that we were deeply confined in the orange and we didn't break below, so there was no reason to actually sell. And you could have also added on to positions, especially right here, Um, this liquidity grab right here, right? This right shoulder right here, there's a good entry right here, and that's also supported by the entry right here, right? Because you have a liquidity grab right here, right? And then close this cup right here, right? And then this the handle, and this is a pretty good structure on here as well. On the 1 minute, a microstructure of a cup, right? Handle, right? And this right shoulder right here all the way up, right? You could take partial profits right here at the break of green algo right here, right? And then manage the trade and see if we break below the orange, right? Yeah, so at this point I was actually like waiting for a here. If I wanted to take a trade up, right, I would have at least like to see the break of yellow, right, and then some type of retracement, right, but we didn't get that. So I wasn't really looking for longs right there unless we built the proper risk reward, like break of blue right here, but that's not the case either, right? And honestly, I did not take any trade down actually, because I just didn't see that good entry. Um, but that's about it. I mean, this one was a good entry, but I just didn't have a microstructure that I really liked, so I just didn't enter that. But yeah, so tapering as well right here, right? I don't know why my right here, right? So, and as you can tell, I didn't really trade the last hour of the market. But yeah, this the last trade was right here, and it was a pretty good trade. This was the second trade of the day, right? In my opinion, because it was just so clean in my opinion. It wasn't like very hard. It was easy to notice on the 1 minute and the 30 minute and the 5 minute, right? So it was this break right here, right? And then this microstructure, this right shoulder microstructure all the way down, and then we tested teal right here. So tomorrow, right? And I'm gonna show you that also on the 30 minute, right? We had that really right here, head, there's this right shoulder right here, all the way down. So that's an easy, pretty easy trade, right? Even if you didn't catch all the way move up, like it was a 5 point move up or 5, 6 point move up, it's fine. It's okay as long as you don't give your profits or you don't take unnecessary risk and you only take the trades that you like. Okay, and we trade for how long, right? There's always multiple opportunities. You just take the ones that you like, and that's enough. You do not have to trade every level. You do not have to trade every, like, you don't have to trade every level. You don't have to trade every cup. You don't have to trade every handle. You don't have to trade every inverse cup, right? Wait for the, if you want to be safer, wait for the bigger ones, right? Because all it takes is one trade, right? And you can be up, and that one trade can make your whole month. That's what I'm saying. So just be like, just take it easy. So from here, right? Obviously, we didn't break below teal, so um, kind of like we need to see us break teal tomorrow, right? If we are headed down, right? We need to see us break teal and form some type of microstructure right here, right? Handle, right? So we need to see that. But if we don't, we might get a push back up, right? I always love these teal tests, right? If we don't break below teal sometimes, we always have a massive move up. And we have a lot of liquidity on this left shoulder right here to go up. So be patient tomorrow. Wait for the structure to reveal itself. Don't rush this, right? The market is still revealing itself. We still don't know what direction is headed, honestly. Or you might wait for the 5 day, the 5 day is right here, so the 5 day is gonna move down tomorrow, and then hopefully we get a retest of some sort, or if not tomorrow, if it has tomorrow, yeah, I hopefully it's tomorrow, or if not Monday, right? But end the week strong tomorrow, Friday. If there's no continuation structure, just call it an early day, man. It's okay to call it a day at 12. It's okay to call it a day at 1 p.m., right? I think you're crazy if you think you're trading every day till 4 p.m., right? But yeah, like for me, I only took this trade was the trade of the day, and I really was like deep in profit. This was a 2.5 3 point move, so I was like very deep in profits. So I was like very chilling. Then the second trade I took was this inverse right here, right, and I managed my trade all the way up till here, right, and then I don't think I traded this one. I should have. It was a pretty good risk reward. I don't know why I didn't off of this blue, but yeah, and I didn't catch. So like I know. So before you trade, you should always have a plan. You should know what to look for or what setups you're looking for. And also, like, even how much, like, I'm not gonna say like you should have a set amount that you should focus on making every day, but have like an amount where when you reach that, you're like, you're chilling, you know. Or like, you should know yourself, you know, get to know yourself, get to because for example, right, if I want to make like 3K every day, then I'm stressing about making 3K every day, right? But don't do that. Just have like a let's have like the mindset where when you reach that 3K, you're comfortable, right? You're not rushing the trades, because as you can earn the trade, you can easily give it back, right? That's what the market always does. That's why chops happen. That's why um, the market is nice, but only for people that deserve it, right? And if you don't deserve it, you're not gonna reap the benefits. And honestly, now trading has become much easier to me, and just understanding the psychology, because trading is like mostly psychology. Anyone can do these lines, anyone can have the algos, anyone can do anything, but as if you can't convince yourself that you can do it, you can never do it, right? So anyways, guys, long video today, but have a great day. I hope you guys understood, right? If we are headed up, we have a good way up. Close the cup at 547.19. From here, we can also possibly take a trade. I'm gonna actually make this algo right now, right? Right, we can possibly take a trade off of here, right? um, right, some type of microstructure right here, right? Or you can just wait for this cup to close and then some type of inverse head and shoulder right here. So we are gonna see an inverse head and shoulder from right here, right? Especially right here. So wait for the cup to close at 543 and then some type of handle, right? And then you could take it right here and then a microstructure right here and then close the cup all the way at 547 if you're headed up, right? So again, as I told you guys before, if you're picking bottoms, wait for the inverse head and shoulder. Always the bullish confirmation you need for a reversal. And yeah, don't be bearish, don't be bullish. We don't know yet. Just give it a couple days or tomorrow. But yeah, have a great day, guys. And trade. I don't even care if you're bullish. You just trade both ways. I don't care. Don't have a biased mindset, man. Just trade both ways. Whatever opportunity the market gives you. I don't care if it's going up or down. I really don't care. I'm a day trader, man. I don't care what happens tomorrow. I just care what happens now, right? Anyways, all right. See you guys tomorrow. And also, I'm very depressed about that girl. I'm still thinking about her. Oh God, why does she have to be a rainbow-colored girl, man? Man, it's lonely in the big city.